How to fix Meiju is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now once this process is done, you can go back to the general tab, and in the launch options box you want to type -dx11 and then you can close Steam. Now you want to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link, and from here scroll down to the second table and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables and install them individually. And once you install them, it will ask you to restart your computer. So after the restart, you want to also make sure that you have the latest GPU updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need NVIDIA app, which you can get it from the nvidia.com website. And then go to the drivers tab from here, select Game Ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available updates. And once you're done, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again from your library, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.